is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat who loves to purr. D is for dog with a happy fur. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for giraffe, tall and high. H is for helicopter flying in the sky. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a tasty bite. K is for kite that soars up high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging around. N is for nest where birds are found. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for penguin waddling with glee. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rabbit hopping around. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for train chugging with might. U is for umbrella when skies turn gray. V is for violin we love to play. W is for whale big and blue. X is for xylophone fun and new. Y is for yo-yo spinning around. Z is for zebra striped and sound. Now we sung from A to Z, let's clap and cheer, so fun to be.